Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Digital Technology and I'm Prince. This is the first time seeing my face here, but I've been recording a lot of tutorial. Today we are going to do a follow-up video on the one we did previously. That's how to create a bank account using WhatsApp. Today I'm going to show you how to make your first deposit into that account. Let's get straight to the video. Now let's start from where we left off. In our previous video, after creating the account successfully, we were sent an image detailing how to deposit into that account. So today we are going to follow that process and make our first deposit into that account. We have MTN, Airtel Tigo and Vodafone Cash. So I'm going to use the Vodafone Cash since I use Vodafone Cash to register my account. So the first thing you have to do is to copy your account number from the chat. The account number will be provided by Leo in the chat. After copying the account, dial *110#. It might be different from your service because I'm using Vodafone Cash. It might be different from MTN. It might be different from Tigo Cash. Then you go to option 1, that is send money. Then you choose to bank account, that is option 3. Here you say select your bank starting with the alphabet. So we are using UBA account, so we choose option 4, that is between S and Z. Now UBA is option 3, so we select 3. Then you enter the account number. So this is my account number, and you need to enter the account number again. As you can see, once you enter the account number, your name will automatically come up. After entering the account number, your name will automatically come up. If it doesn't show your name, it means it's not the correct account number. So we need to confirm. Now we input the amount. Here, after going through the document that was sent, the minimum you can deposit is 20 cedis. So make sure you have 20 cedis in your UBA money account that you are using for deposit. I'm going to choose exactly 20 cedis. Now you need to enter the reference. I'm just going to use deposit. Now you enter your PIN. As you can see, it says here transfer of Ghana cedis, transfer of 20 Ghana cedis to UBA accounts, and your account number, then your account name, Asiedu Prince, with the transaction fee and e-levy fee. So you just have to confirm it. Nice. Now we have successfully deposited money into the account. So let's wait for the message and check our account if we have the money in it. After depositing, a message will be sent to you detailing your account number, the amount you deposited and the total balance in your account. Now we've deposited money to our account successfully. In our next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a UBA debit card that can be linked to PayPal and also for international transactions such as PayPal, iTunes, Spotify, and even eBay. So stay tuned and watch out for our next tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And I'm out.